Hey everyone! So something a little bit different to what I normally do. I'm doing an abstract design. So first of all, I've gone in with Duck Egg from Trilogy Nail Systems. It's from their Solitaire range. So once I've done my first layer, I've popped that into the lamp and then gone in with a second layer and then popped that one in the lamp as well. So I've seen so many of these designs round and I thought I'm going to go for it. They're super pretty. So many different things you can do to it. You can add different foils and different leaves and it's super pretty. So once the duck egg has cured, I've gone in then with a bit of a fluffy brush then with Blanc Gel Polish, which is from Trilogy Nail Systems. Pop that into the lamp to cure and then going in with a second layer then just to make that a little bit brighter. And then once I've done that, popping that in the lamp to cure as well. So what I've done next is I've got a thin liner brush with some black gel polish and I'm doing the stem for the leaves. And then using the tip of the brush to map the leaves out to exactly where I want them to go. So basically the start and the finish of the leaf. So I know if I don't do this, my leaves don't look like leaves and they can be going in whatever direction they want to be and it just doesn't look as nice. So literally just tip of the brush just to pop some little back dots in so I know where the start and the finish of the leaf is going. And then again using the tip of the brush to do the outsides of the leaves and then filling the leaves in too. So the leaves I personally find them a little bit tricky. Always have, don't know why. But once I've mapped them out, and it does take a little bit of time to do. I think they're super effective. They're so pretty. So once I've done the leaves on here, you will see after that I've gone in with a dotting tool. So what I didn't cure the leaves beforehand. So what I did was I've done all the leaves, grabbed a dotting tool then with the blank gel polish and the black gel polish as well. And just added a couple of little dots here and there just to give it a little bit more detail. So I thought with just the leaves and the white patch itself, it just looked a little bit plain. So adding the white dots, it just gave it a little bit more design to it. So I think would have looked really, really pretty is actually putting some silver foil on it. I wish I did now, but there we are. Afterthought, can't be done now. Yeah, so I will leave you watch the video. So after this, obviously I've done my dots, popped in the lamp to cure, and then I've gone in then with the Ultimate Gloss Top Coat from Trilogy Nail Systems. So I'm hoping I'm going to get my bum into gear and actually get a few videos done. So I've got a few on here already and I just need to do voiceovers. But it's the voiceovers that are the hardest to do. When you've got 2 children in the house at the minute and they're really, really noisy, I can't find a quiet space. So hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll have some more videos soon. So I'll leave you with the rest of this and I'll see you all soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.